Gullfoss is a spectacular two-tiered waterfall in southwest Iceland, known as the Golden Falls, located on the Hvítá River, and a main attraction of the popular Golden Circle tourist route. It drops a total of 32 meters, 105 feet into a rugged canyon, and is fed by the Langjökull glacier. The site is free to visit and offers walking paths to various viewing platforms. The waterfall has two main drops, a first cascade of 11 meters and a second of 21 meters, for a combined height of 32 meters. The water plummets into a rugged, narrow canyon that is 70 meters deep. River and source. It is part of the Hvítá River system, which originates from the Langjökull glacier. Name origin. The name Gullfoss means Golden Falls in Icelandic. Magnificent view.